Alright, sorry for the poor lighting. It's still very dark out. It's still very overcast. It's kind of raining on me, but it's light enough that the trees are blocking all of it from actually hitting me, so I don't care right now. This is going to be an unusual video. I'm going to be putting this into the ground right here-ish. What kind of gray stuff is. I will be throwing the rocks that I dig out from it onto the swale, because it looks like a lot of the smaller rocks got washed away. And then I'll grab some foliage and stuff from up on the hill. You know what the hill looks like. Jump over top of it. It's going to rain more tonight. And the idea is to get this stuff to soak into the ground. This is plant food. I'm not injecting it onto any one particular plant, because that's not what I need or want right now. I need to get this rocky area more up to growability, and this stuff is very good for bacteria and the like to start growing, along with helping roots. Because a lot of the areas are spreading plants, but are not yet very entrenched or large yet. And I want to encourage them to take over this area. I am going deeper than what I would normally do in this area, because I want this to really soak deeply in, and I'll just kind of be lazily there on the surface level. It'll also help to aerate this area of soil a little more. So I'm going to do these 3 shovelfuls right here. And then let's see, 2, 4, 6, 7 bottles here. So I'll do 3 bottles into the dirt. No. There's 5 in the box and I'm holding 3, that's 8. So I'll do 4. These are just little bottles of plant food. They're either already expired or about to. But they contain phosphorus, nitrate, and potash. You're supposed to mix them with water, but I'm mixing them directly into the ground soil instead of into a pot or the like. I hope that it builds a better basis for the plants in this area. The rain's starting to pick up. That's why I'm looking up. I'm getting hit by raindrops. bottles. Yes, of course I'm going to pick these up and throw them away properly. I'm just keeping this in this area for right now. I'm going to get probably 2 shovelfuls of dirt from up here. Dirt and plant matter. The plant matter will go on bottom, like dead leaves and the like. And then I'll put the dirt on top of that. The plant matter will contain some bacteria that will help break it down. That will also eat this plant food. Using it, bring it to more natural forms. Of just dead leaves, very wet. I hope all this is actually visible in the camera. You see the hole. Mix some dirt, root, and leaves to help fill this area back in. It is a little lower than surrounding, which is what I want. I'm not going to dump another 2 bottles on the top, just so that they can see through the dirt. That's supposed to be bacteria thing. To open these both at once is not working properly. There we go. Alright, because I'm apparently especially bad at counting, there's 3 left in the box. That means I had 9. Because apparently I can't count for crap. So, I'm going to take these 3 and dump them where I dig those ditch holes earlier. And you're going to come with me. First off, actually, check this out. These are some of the wildflowers that I was planting at the fall last year. Some of them were sprouting, and it's amazing. And if we look, we can see that some, not a lot, but some of the dirt has fallen from where I broke it up earlier last week. That's an amazingly good thing. It didn't get as far down as we wanted. It's still like right here at the end of the hill as opposed to down here at the side of the flatter area that I've made. But that's fine because plants are spreading anyway. I wasn't aiming for on the spot. I spread these three out a little more than I normally would have to help kind of build a bridge gap between the two areas, because there are some plants growing there, but not a lot. But then that's the end goal. Probably in a week or two, I'm going to come through and try and break up some dirt in this area to have it pushed down the hill. But I'm going to physically throw it further down the hill than I did with the other stuff, because there is ground cover in this area, obviously. Yeah. For reference, let's see how good I can get this into focus. I want to focus on the writing. It doesn't want to focus on it, but this contains chemical nitrogen, nitrate nitrogen, phosphoric acid, soluble potash, potassium, something, I don't know. I'm not a chemist. Yeah. The hope for this is that it will start bringing plant from the in from the outer edges and from my project area more into the rocky field itself, because a few here have already died. Yeah, I'm gonna clean this up, and then I'm gonna clean up this area for my trash day. But thank you for listening to anyone who's been listening.